Howdy guys, so you're shopping, getting a solar power system at your home and you're sick of all the bullshit with salesmen talking to you about a million things unrelated to actually giving you a quote. All right, so here's what to expect. If you're just gonna get a system that does not have a battery and it's just a grid-tied system of solar panels where the surplus is fed back into the grid, you should expect to pay between $2.90 and $4 per kilowatt hour if somebody else is installing it, because you got to cover the materials, you got to cover the fact that they're going to use good materials so that they don't have to worry about them breaking, and you're also going to have to cover their labor because people have to feed themselves. Anyway, so like I say, no battery. If you're going to have a battery, by the way, you would add between 7,000 and probably 20,000 depending on how much battery power you want, the brand of battery, etc. Okay? So that's the meat and potatoes of it. If you're going to do it yourself, I've been finding that you're going to pay between $1 and $1.50 per watt. Okay, so you save a ton of money if you're willing to basically put Legos together. It's not really complicated. I would recommend anybody considering it watch some YouTube videos, because as far as if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you've built stuff, I gotta say these solar power systems are a lot simpler than I think a lot of people give them too much credit. It is electricity, so don't kill yourself. But anyway, so like I say, if somebody else has installed it, I would anticipate $2.90 to $4 per watt. So if you're getting a 20,000 watt system, somewhere in the range of $60,000 to $80,000. It's gone up a lot, by the way, and that does make sense. I don't know if you are somebody that builds things. Steel is about twice as expensive as it was a couple of years ago. Wood is more expensive. Literally any commodity is way more expensive. And on top of that, with the crazy economy we're in, labor is shooting through the roof. The availability of people to work is way down because it's easy to get unemployment, so nobody wants to work. I should probably shut up about politics on YouTube. Anyway, so that's it. If you have a question, comment, please be sure to like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Have a good day.